here for them, to protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
He already paid
All I
stuff.
want is my fucking phone.
He doesn't have a phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're gonna
it,
back up.
please,
You're gonna back up.
when I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
That's fine. You can.
A man ejected from a Florida bar. Officers outside. A lost phone dispute. What happens next costs him everything.
And all I want is my phone out of there.
Okay, well, we'll get it all figured out. Do me a favor. Just step over here for me. Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive,
What?
and he was very nice.
Okay, listen. What does your phone look like?
My phone is a black, fold out.
Have you already paid your tab? How are you gonna call that phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not gonna call your phone for you, but
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost y'all phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
okay.
And he dropped it.
Two
Please.
things. One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm gonna help you out. Two, you're just not gonna tell me what you're gonna be doing.
Please give me my phone.
Okay?
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his
Please
tab.
call. I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I was just telling
I'm
you.
not
Now
being.
you're yelling. I don't appreciate it.
No, stop. Because
You
I
stop
asked her,
yelling. Stop
listen,
yelling.
man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you. And I asked, no, you with them. And I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talked to him.
Been talking at normal levels. I'm done with yelling.
No, well then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me, you're here for them. To protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
He already paid
All I
stuff.
want is my fucking phone.
He doesn't have a phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're gonna
it,
back up.
please,
You're gonna back up.
when I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Have a good night.
That's fine. You can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie because I
Have a
got
good
up.
night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face.
Not
Because
before you
I.
do. Have a good night. Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and
And now
accept
you're
my-
not back in there? They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they would not steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. What I recommend doing? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are
I
you
pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very
Okay,
much so.
me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tap.
Okay. They don't have your phone. What
This
to
is not
do?
making sense to me when I
It's
use
not making
tap.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But
then
she
you don't
doesn't
have
give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem to you. We're trying to help you. You're not being
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How should you find someone else to play with
Hey,
other than us? Have a good
get
night.
the
You
fuck
put
out
your
my
hand up.
face.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this
trying
is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
we're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They
night.
don't have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because
Do
you
not
paid with
go
your
That's
back
phone.
the
in.
fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just said.
Then go get my
Trespass
phone.
from here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Trespass.
Yep. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come back,
fine.
you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just go for trouble. I don't really
Trespass.
care.
That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch.
Florida Statute Section 8:10.08 defines trespass as willfully remaining after a warning to depart has been issued. The officer issued that warning clearly. From that moment, remaining on the property was a criminal act. The subject's profanity directed at officers is First Amendment protected. City of Houston versus Hill settled this offensive speech toward police is not arrestable. That protection ends the moment speech becomes conduct. Physical contact with an officer is where the Constitution stops shielding him.
Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut up. Give me the documentation. Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, wipe me
Give me
right.
all of your information So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck out. Give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. Give me your I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck where the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. Give me your card and your documentation. Please. Give me your card. Give me your I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Florida Statute Section 784.07 elevates battery on a law enforcement officer to a third-degree felony. That single act of physical contact established the primary arrest charge and triggered the no bond hold at booking. Under Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court held that force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. 3 factors govern: severity of the offense, active resistance, and immediate threat. All 3 were present. The force was proportionate. A lawful arrest authorizes a full search of the person. No warrant, no separate probable cause required. This is the search incident to arrest doctrine, established in Chimel versus California and reaffirmed in United States versus Robinson.
I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched the officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched the
Gonna
officer.
roll this way.
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up. Get him up. Get him up.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information. No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
Downtown.
There you go. All right.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I get? Y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging after.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
For card and information.
Once she started getting the paperwork for you,
She didn't do nothing.
So now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius? Is your name Darius?
No, all that
Is your
is
name
for card and
Darius?
information.
Is your name Darius?
All that is for card and
Is your
information.
name Darius?
I'm just actually.
Your debit card that you were looking for was
Yes.
found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about the no bad card.
You did,
I
sir.
asked him, no, I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking
My
for was
phone,
in your pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Hey, it's not in there, bud. We told you that.
It is. All you gotta do is
You wanted
call.
to do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked is for card and information.
I went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish searching.
Are you guys gonna throw me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I asked for card and information. Card and information. I'm not. What the fuck?
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked her for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
All right,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing games.
pockets. I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground. You
anything.
understand?
It's going to be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right
183,
here.
169,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you. Well, there's stuff on that side, that's why. Hey, just do it on this side, this side, this side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it, that's fine. I just put it on passenger usually, that's all.
All right. Have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't did nothing wrong. All I did was ask a simple question.
You debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
Set up and put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Smooth, boy.
If you find anything else on you, when you go to jail, it's going to be another charge. And that's
I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
There's up to positive cocaine. Seems fair. Approximately half gram.
Step up.
I'm trying. Don't think I'm being wrong. So I go in the petty wagon van for asking about my cell phone?
Yes, sir.
Asking about my cell phone.
Slide in. Have a seat. Watch your head.